Hey guys, it's me, Sharice Jones, CEO and Chief Designer of Sassy Jones. So this really quick and easy scarf tutorial with your fedoras. Girl, first of all, you got this. You're gonna take our 51 by 51 inch square scarf, fold it into a rectangle, put the bottom of the rectangle on your forehead, take a scrunchie and make a little ponytail, half ponytail if you will, and flounce. Super easy. Throw your fedora on with it and play. All right, the second look, I'm using our splattered houndstooth scarf. These are all square. You're gonna take this one and make it into a rectangle, almost like a headband. You're gonna take the back and just tie a knot. Make sure that it's really secure because this is a very important part of the entire process. Next, you're gonna just tie knots all the way down and leave some of the excess out so that you can sort of tie it around the initial knot that you made until it feels secure. And then you simply find somewhere to tuck it. And the tucking is the most important part. And then you're gonna slap that fedora on, girl. The last look, I'm going to use our celebration scarf. I love this one personally. It's so colorful. It looks really, really good with a trench coat as well. But for your head, turn that square into a triangle. Put the base of the triangle on your forehead. And you're going to take that scrunchie that you use for your ponytails and simply tie it around the back. Really tight, really secure, because that makes all the difference from your silk blend scarf falling off versus it staying on. And we know that that is a nightmare, especially when you want to cover up your hair if you're having a bad hair day. So once you have the scrunchie tightened to your preference, you're going to pull the excess scarf through, not all the way, just half of the way. And then you have that little flounce happening there. What you're going to do with that flounce, you're going to take all of that fabric and you're going to open it and play with it. Slap that fedora on and out the door you flow easily. Enjoy all of our beautiful scarves and fedoras.